Hello guys! So today, try natin sagutan itong ating question for our CSE review for today. Okay, so let's start. So, what is 45% of 40? So, in order to solve this question, una natin kailangan gawin is to convert yung 45% into decimal number. So, paano ba natin gagawin yan? So, first we copy 45, tanggalin natin yung percentage sign, and then, ang 45, ang decimal point niya is nandito sa tabi ng 5 dahil whole number siya. Okay? So ngayon, ang pinakamadaling way to convert this into a decimal number, etong decimal point, i-move lang natin ng 2 places papunta sa ating kaliwa. So from here, we have 1 and then 2. So nandito na yung ating decimal point. So ngayon, ang conversion ng ating 45% into decimal number is 0.45. Ngayon, meron na tayo niyan. Yan yung ating i-multiply sa 40 to find yung 45% niya. So we have 0.45 multiply by 40. Okay? So ngayon, unahin natin yung 0. So yung 0 naman, pag minultiply natin sa any number dito sa 0.45, 0 din yung lalabas. So we have 0 times 5, 0. 0 times 4, 0. And then 0 times 0 is 0. Okay? And then ngayon, yung 4 naman. So 4 times 5, that is 20. So dito natin siya lalagay sa baba ng 4. And then carry 2 tayo dito. So plus 2. So we have 4 times 4, that is 16. And then plus 2. Mula dun sa ating 4 times 5. So 16 plus 2 is 18. Ayan. And then ngayon, i-add lang natin to. Parang nagmumultiply lang tayo ng whole number to whole number, okay? So we have 0, 0, and then 8, and then 1. Ayan. And then ngayon, from 0.45, meron tayong minove na 2 decimal places. So from our final answer na 18, mag-move lang din tayo ng 2 decimal places from the left. So dito lagay natin tong 1800, so 1,800 yan. Pero nandito yung decimal point niya. So kapag nag-move tayo ng 2 places going to the left, we have 1, 2. So ang ating final answer na ngayon is 18. So letter B. Ayan. So for our second question, what is 55% of 80? So hayaan ko kayong sagutan to and let's see kung naiintindihan nyo yung ating review for today. So that's it for our review for today. I hope may natutunan kayo.